Hello everybody, happy Saturday. I'm Sal CAPANO. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I greatly appreciate you tuning in on this Saturday. I'm going to go over step by step IRS Get My Transcript. I'm going to go in there and show you your date and how much. Well, stay tuned. When you go on here, you have to register first. So make sure you register. If you're coming across this video, you can watch this video. It's not that long, and then you can go back and pause and all that good stuff. And it'll tell you. But it takes about 10 minutes to register. We're not going to go over register. You just register, put a username. Now you're going to have a credit card or a car loan, automobile loan, just some kind of a confirmation. They will not charge you. I put in my one of my car loans in there just to verify it's really you, not a hacker. And it'll ask you some questions. It's not complicated. And you're opening up a IRS homepage, is basically, and you can even see your past taxes or and stuff like that. It'll have amount. Hopefully yours says zero, you don't owe anything. So I'm gonna turn the camera around. Again, this is IRS.gov. If you're already registered and you want to go over this with me, here we go. So I'm gonna turn this camera around here. Hopefully you're enjoying this Saturday afternoon across this video, and you might find this interested, then you might want to hit the like button. So and subscribe to my channel. IRS, that's where we're at. Get My Transcript. That's me, Salvatore. Get My Transcript. Now I'm going to move it over slowly, and there you're going to see select reason you need transcript, customer file number. That you can don't worry about. Just leave that blank. Now select reason you need to change, and that you should see your name on top, so you know you're in the right page. So we're going to go here, select reason. So we're going to go down. We're looking for federal. So we're going to go down, and there it is, federal, right? So we're going to click on federal. All right. Now let's give that a second. Let's hit go. This is going to prompt you to the next page and get your transcript. So now, let me just make the screen a little bit bigger. Okay, so here you see return transcript. You can go on that later. That'll show your returns and might show some stimulus payments that you had. Account transcript, that's your account, if you owed any money. Wage income transcript, all your wages. Now over here, it's already highlighted. Record of account transcript. So we're going to go to 2020. So we're going to go ahead and hit that 2020. Bingo. Let's hit that. Now it's going to be hard to see this, but I'm going to get as close as I could with the camera just to give you a basic idea. So let's get this out. So now you're going to go here. Now do you see where it says account balance 0? There's nothing there. That means that they don't have any total. But I'm going to go over how much. Now you're going to see underneath where it says, let's see if I can get a little closer. See that amount of 23? Married, that's me, married, file joint. That was my unemployment payments, me and my wife. Now, we're going to go over a little bit. We don't need to see that. Let's see here if I can get a little closer. I'm trying to show you this without. Let's see here. Let's go right here. That's it. Perfect. See where it says May 31st? Hopefully you can see that, 2021. There it is. There's two dates, one for me, one for my wife. That shows that they have worked on my claim. Now, that means they got to it on May 31st. A lot of you, if you go on after my video, you're going to see either May 31st. Some you might see May 28th. You might see June. Okay, so that means they have worked on it. It's been completed. They just don't have the amount adjustment. This is pretty much all computerized. So we're going to turn this camera around. Hopefully that helps you out. Now, so once you do that, again, the amounts are going to be anywhere between 1,040 to up to 3,000 is what I'm hearing. Depending on your tax bracket, 10%, 12%, 15%, the more money you made, the higher tax bracket. The lower tax bracket you're in, the more money you might make. Remember, if you're joint like I was, it'll have both there, and you'll have 20,400 because it's 10,200. So if you're new to all this, this was implemented, this was adjusted on March 11th. So now if you filed your taxes, let's say on and after March 11th, there's a good chance your CPA, H&R Block, had the software. So you already got, in other words, they adjusted yours. So let's say if you and I both done it on that day, you're going to get more money, if that makes sense. They already had the software, so you will not be entitled because you already got it. This is for people who filed early in February or March. This is second batch is going to be sent out next week. Again, when you see that date, what I was told, you just see my date, a week to 2 after they're going to be sending that. Now, it's just because it showed 0, it doesn't mean they're still working on it. It just hasn't updated on this portal. If you didn't see your date, oh my goodness, I'm not eligible. It just means they haven't gotten to it. Remember, it was single people first, and they were a little late on getting this out, and then married without kids in the second batch, and then married with children after. Hopefully this helped you out and gave you a little comfort as we're patiently waiting for this money. It's crazy. When they want our money, they put a deadline on it. But you got to understand, I don't work for the IRS. I'm not backing them up on this. There was millions of people that they have to, and they thought this would be a lot easier than rushing to your CPA and probably had to pay them money and get a tax amendment. This works out a little bit easier. So this will go on through the summer. All likelihood, though, you're probably going to be getting this real soon. This money, like I said, if you want to see your stimulus checks, if you haven't received them, go back to those boxes I showed you, and you can see your stimulus check number 1, number 2, number 3. Some of you use number 4. You know, remember the last one, $1,200. I'll have all that in there. It'll have your tax. Again, if you're new to my channel, I greatly appreciate you tuning in on this Saturday. I'm hoping you're enjoying your weekend. I'm here in Las Vegas, Nevada, and the weather's getting hot. Consider on subscribing to my channel as I go over a whole lot of this $10,200 overpayment. I'm starting to call it child tax credit and POA. And if that's something that you might be interested in, then consider on joining our family, as I'm going to give away more prizes once I hit 400. We're getting close to 300. I'm a couple viewers away. So I thank you. It's all about you guys. And on my success. I enjoy doing this and working with you. I like to end my videos and say hello to somebody once in a while. Tomorrow's another day. I will see you on my next video. Thank you for watching.